everyone, Rhoda Melvin here from Premier Group with Tuesday's tax tip. Today's subject is being audit proof. That's the number one question I get asked whenever anyone finds out that I'm a former agent for the Department of Treasury. Unfortunately, my answer is always there's no way to be audit proof, only audit ready. There are three things that the IRS is looking for when you're being audited. The first is they're assessing whether or not your records are credible. That doesn't mean you have to go out here and buy a fancy accounting system, have some type of ERP system. You can have manual records. Just make sure that your records are credible. You can tie into any figures, you know what you calculated, you have the documentation to support it. That's what they mean by credible. Some kind of audit trail to figure out how the numbers came about. Two, they want to determine that you are able to substantiate the figures that you actually put on your tax return. So you can jot a list of calculations down on a folder. You can have an Excel spreadsheet. You can be fancy enough to incorporate everything into a binder. They just want to make sure that you have an accurate account of how you arrived at the figures on your tax return. And lastly, they want to make sure that you are being compliant with federal, state, and local laws. Now that's going to take a little research because you want to make sure that whatever type of industry you're in, you know what the filing requirements are for that particular industry, whether it's reporting to the IRS or a local tax authority. So remember, there's no way to be audit proof. There's no way for anyone to guarantee that you will never be audited. So don't ever let anyone tell you that there is. But there is a way to be audit ready. Click on the link below and we'll show you how. Talk to you soon.